In this video, I'll be breaking down how your resources or documents are accessed from the SafeFood Pro mobile app. For context, resources are the documents added to your admin console to be accessed as general user, equipment, or supplier documents or links. While on the admin console, all resources can be viewed in one place. But on the mobile app, access will depend on a user's role and permissions. To get started, log into the mobile app, then select the menu icon in the top left-hand corner. From the list, select Resources. This will show you the All page. You can tap on a resource to view it. In this view, you have a few options. You can select the heart icon to save this resource as a favorite resource. This will add it to your favorites folder for easier access in the future. When opening a new file, you will also notice the Mark as Completed button is grayed out. This is because the resource has not been viewed yet. Select View File and the file will open in your browser. When you return back to the app, you can tap Mark as Completed, select your name from the list, and enter your PIN. This will add the resource to your training history. Now let's navigate to the Explore tab. This provides a structured view of all the folders in your account. Simply search for the folder you're looking for or scroll through the list, then tap on the folder to open it. Inside you'll see resources or more subfolders, and you can tap to explore further. Now let's talk about assigned documents, which work slightly differently from general resources. These documents are assigned directly to specific items, making them easier to track down. For example, if you're looking for a piece of equipment specific resource, rather than going to the resources page, you'll go to the equipment page, locate the item in the list, select the pencil icon to edit it, and scroll to the bottom. Any resources assigned to this piece of equipment, such as an invoice, will appear here. If you're looking for a staff member's food safety training certificate, as another example, you'll navigate to the staff section via the menu. Find the staff member in the list, open their profile, and scroll to the bottom. The resource can be viewed just like any other document. This applies across resources assigned to equipment, users, and suppliers. Now, a small caveat here, but to ensure your staff's privacy, users with fewer permissions, like tablet users, can only view their own resources under their profile, protected by a PIN. Tablet managers, and admins, however, can access any staff member's profile using their PIN. General documents and those assigned to equipment or suppliers will remain accessible to everyone. For any questions, please contact support@safefoodpro.com. Thanks for watching.